I have my wooden spoons out here, and I cook with my wooden spoons a lot. So based on that I'm using them a lot, and that, again, I think they're pretty, I'm going to keep them out on the top of my counter. So I just keep them all in this little block, this glass block here. And any kind of vase or really any kind of container, even a glass, just a cup would work for this kind of thing. Just anything that fits what you need it to fit and looks how you want it to look. And I just keep it back here in the corner so that it gives me enough counter space to still work. But I have them accessible to what I'm doing here on the stove. And then I have one spoon that has special significance to me and is kind of a novelty spoon. So I actually hang it on the wall over here. There was a nail that was already in the wall, and so I hang that on the wall over here. So when you're deciding which utensils to leave out on the top, again, on the top of your counter space, again, you want to look at the frequency of the use and what they look like.